Welcome back to Royale Drive, your exclusive window into the world of timeless luxury and unmatched craftsmanship. Today, we're stepping into a realm where power meets perfection. The Rolls-Royce Ghost Royal Edition. A car not just built, but crafted for those who command elegance in silence. This is not just a vehicle, it's an experience and a masterpiece that floats more than it drives. The first glance at the Rolls-Royce Ghost leaves you speechless. The body, sculpted in pure, pearl-white perfection, stands as a symbol of sophistication and power. At the front, the Pantheon grille rises like the gates of royalty, crowned with the spirit of ecstasy, gracefully guiding every journey. Each curve, every line, is a statement of control and balance. The laser-cut LED headlamps shimmer with precision, while the chrome accents reflect the world like mirrors of prestige. Move along the side, and you'll see the legendary coach doors, a signature of Rolls-Royce craftsmanship. They open like an invitation into another dimension of luxury. Step inside, and the outside world disappears. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, hand-stitched by artisans who take days to perfect every seam. Polished wood veneers, crystal controls, and soft touch materials surround you in tranquility. Above, a starlight headliner turns the roof into a sky full of constellations, each light hand-placed, each sparkle unique. Every detail, from the soft closed doors to the whisper-quiet insulation, exists to create an environment of complete serenity. Now, let's talk about what's under that majestic hood. The Rolls-Royce Ghost Royal Edition is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering 620 horsepower and over 900 newton-meters of torque. Despite weighing more than 2.6 tons, this masterpiece can glide from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. Top speed? A graceful 155 miles per hour, limited electronically. But this car isn't about numbers. It's about sensation. Acceleration that feels effortless, like being lifted by a silent storm. The adaptive air suspension, GPS-guided handling, and rear-wheel steering ensure that no matter where you go, the Ghost predicts every curve, every bump before you even reach it. In the Ghost, silence isn't the absence of sound, it's the presence of peace. Technology in the Ghost isn't loud or flashy. It's discreet, intelligent, invisible. From night vision assistance to radar-guided cruise control, every system is designed to work quietly in the background. Even the doors can close automatically with a single button, because in a Rolls-Royce, effort is optional. At over $400,000, the Rolls-Royce Ghost Royal Edition is more than transportation. It's a declaration. It's not for those who chase attention, but for those who deserve it. Every journey is an occasion. Every mile is a moment. This is the Ghost, where silence speaks louder than speed. If you enjoyed this glimpse into automotive royalty, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Royale Drive, where luxury has no limits.